Alright, let's make this quick. We're gonna do some late evening fishing over at a local pond. I got my little tackle box ready right here. This should to focus in. Got my little grab bag, grab a couple rods. We're gonna take the little boat and we are gonna set sail and go do some evening fishing. Alright, we got the baby boat loaded up and we are en route. Just gotta pick up freaking Fluffle. Milking it. You're milking it, Fluff. Alright, we're out in the water. I didn't get us launching the boat because screw all that. You guys don't need to be seeing that anyways. You can picture it in your head. Anyways, on the water, ready to catch a fish. Let's go. We got good old Fluffle with us. So, you know, it's the dream team on the mini boat. That's just how we roll. All right, wish us luck. Let's get after it. The dark sleeper. Yeah, it's a little tiny bottom swim bait, and there's big hype around him. It's been a big hype around him for a long time, but I just didn't follow the hype. But now we're here. Spot right there. Fuck it. Oh, you know what? I think I need a cast. Oh, what's in there? Oh, I got a fish. I got one. What the hell? That was a crazy bite. Oh, shit. There's a decent one. Yeah! Yeah, look at that. On the dark sleeper. Let's go. He swallowed it. He choked it. Oh, no. Am I going to get it back? No, it's the only one I brought.
Is it really?
Look at that. Dude, that's how bad they want that thing. You guys see that? Right there, guys, I got it out. Thank God. He swallowed it. Let's get him back in. Thank you. Oh. Don't tempt me. Oh! Hooked up. On the whopper. There we go. Just for you guys on the live. Look at that. That one person that stayed in here, I'm so glad you did now. There's another one from good old Fluff, right on the top.
A little plopper.
Yes, sir.
Like, this thing is way more than that.
Oh, really? Well, fuck, show off.
That's so weird. Not last year, or not this year, but last year.
Done fish? We got one, guys. Oh, yeah. It's covered in weeds, though. Oh, dude, that was the weirdest bite ever. That's a good one. Did he swallow it again? No! No! Chef's knife. Gross.
It's pretty long, dude.
Yeah. Well, Fluff just keeps catching all the fish. It seems like lately every one I take fishing catches more fish than me. Keep trying, we ain't giving up nowhere near now. Oh my God. There's one. Heard. I was recording on my GoPro too. Hopefully we got that. Oh, he's on there. Let's see it.
Nope.
Little guy. Just blew up on it though. Be careful, Fluff. You're ballsy grabbing that thing. I don't like playing that game.
When they're yours, dude.
Yes, sir.
This fish needs some food.
Yeah, it does. Switching it up, the dark sleeper was doing good, but I'm watching Fluff get blown up on this freaking whopper plopper, and I gotta get on the top water, man. I gotta get on top. I am using, let's see if I can do this, spook. So that's what I'm gonna do for top water. right here. We're gonna give that a shot. That's an old school top water. Right there, guys. All right, see if we can get lucky. Biscuits and gravy better than biscuits and gravy that we can make? I don't know. Got him. There it is. On the... Dude, he's running at me. Oh, it's a little fucker. Keep that head up, boy. Ta-da! It worked! We got a spooky fish. Boo! I was just kidding, but yeah, look. Got him on the spook. I don't know, that might be the first fish I've caught on a spook, but I really like using it, and I'm getting pretty damn good at it. And we don't remember to pause it right after you catch that fish, because our adrenaline pumping. Oh my God, I got that on video. That was awesome. Awesome. That was awesome. And I did get that on GoPro. Biot. Oh shit. That feels decent.
I think it's fucking sick. I don't even know how to do this.
What the fuck? Am I in the weeds?
It's just so little, yeah.
Swallowed it again, dude. They love that dark sleeper. Right in there. Yeah. Hopefully I get that one out. No, don't you grab. He's still trying to swallow it. Gotcha. Whew. Got it back. Put that thing on.
So I got that one, and then I got this one. This is the one I'm talking about, this torpedo.
Dude, these guys just really, look at everyone fish. It's all in their mouth. Thank God I got the hook quick on that one.
So I gotta take the weights off, yeah?
Got him. Right at the dock. Oh yeah. Yes. Spooky. Spooky hair. Sorry. There's another one. It is a fish. Tiniest fucking fish ever.
Oh my God. Dude.
That's a largemouth
Catching
bass for
wieners.
you. Look at that thing. Can you believe that? You cocky son of a bitch. Got him. What the hell? Jesus, another freaking skinny ass fish. That's actually better size.
Dude, that would be like a 3-pounder if you had some weight on him.
It was so sad. Oh, damn. Thanks.
Easy way. Put that right on the bank, baby.
Got him. Oh yeah, that's a better one. Hell yeah. Spooky hours out here, everybody. Spooky. Okay. Oh. There it is. Look at that. As I was recording the video, Fletch just hooked up. It's a one hell of a day out here on the pond, guys. We are killing it, crushing it, loving it. See ya, buddy. Get the release on yours too, Buffalo. Double up. Oh shit, that was close. I'm having a heyday today, getting a little carried away. Oh my god, something just hit it again, Fluff. And he took it under the water and didn't get hooked. He's right behind me. He's following me. Oh, right here at the boat. Oh shit. Decent fish, actually. Oh yes. Got that on GoPro. Let's go, ho.
Bro.
What?
812.
Right now? Damn. 812.
815.
Damn. Oh fucking A, that one, that thing fucking followed me all the way to the boat and hit it right at the boat. That was awesome. Oh fuck, Fluff. Well, the sun is setting, everybody, and it's starting to get a little dark out here. I don't know if I'll be able to record much more, but what I'll promise you is if we do hook up into something, I'll get a video of it, turn the flashlight on, and show you. We're gonna slowly start working our way back towards where we put the boat in at. They want the frog. Give them the frog. Dude, why does this frog keep sinking and doing weird shit? How did I get the frog get snagged on? Oh my god. Right here at the boat, come on. Got him. At the boat.
Love that sound.
Dude, that was crazy. Right at the freaking boat. Oh, that's the best one. There we go. All right.
Ooh.
I gotta get. We did it. Late night. I told you guys. I'd show you. Look at that. Right on the freaking frog. Wow. Ribbit. Adios, nighttime bass.
It's gonna kill me, so what? So what? So what? It's gonna kill me, so what?